She's a vision, a dream, walking tall in the light. Her beauty shines through the darkest of nights. In every shade, from red bone to deep ebony, she's the essence of love, she's everything to me. Her skin is a canvas painted by the sun, with hues of gold and midnight spun. Short or tall, she is the queen of the land. Her spirit is pure, her soul's like warm sand. Oh, my African queen, you're a beauty divine. In every color, every shape you shine. From lips full to thin, every smile a grace. You are a wonder in every place. She carries a history with pride and grace. Strength in her eyes, love in her embrace. Her laugh is a melody, her voice like a song. She knows who she is, where her heart belongs. Her hair like a crown, where